Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can restore a recently deleted content on your Instagram. So here I have already opened my Instagram, and to find the content that you've just deleted, just go to your profile and click on the three lines icon at the top and go to the your activity, and in here just scroll down until you find recently deleted options. So in here I have three stories that I deleted before, and they will be permanently deleted after a number of days shown. So if you want to restore, you can just click on the story, for example this one, and click on the three dots icon at the bottom, and there will be two options: to delete and also to restore. If you want to restore it, just click on restore and click on the restore. It's now updating, and now the story will be restored, and that will be in your archive. Okay, so that's all from me. Here is, I hope this tutorial will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. Bye.